outside of your 9 to 5? Discover the top 5 side hustles predicted to make Americans rich by 2026. In today's dynamic economy, a single income stream is rarely enough. Wealth is increasingly built on multiple, scalable ventures. The modern economy favors flexible, entrepreneurial thinking. Side hustles aren't just for extra cash anymore. They're pathways to significant financial freedom, especially when focused on scalability and future trends. We've analyzed market trends and technological shifts to bring you the 5 most lucrative side hustles positioned for massive growth and wealth creation by 2026. Kicking off our list at number 1, AI-powered niche content creation. This hustle capitalizes on the explosion of demand for hyper-specific content. The key here is leveraging generative AI tools to produce high-volume, high-quality articles, videos, or podcasts in underserved niches, minimizing the time commitment needed. Monetize primarily through targeted affiliate marketing of relevant products or services, and by offering premium, in-depth content subscriptions to your dedicated audience. Next up is e-commerce automation and dropshipping. The focus shifts from manually handling inventory to optimizing logistics through technology. You'll be setting up automated fulfillment systems, from order processing to shipping, minimizing manual intervention and maximizing profit margins. Success lies in identifying high-demand, low-competition products and mastering digital marketing to drive targeted traffic to your automated store. Our third wealth builder is specialized tech consulting, particularly offering remote services in cutting-edge fields. Focus your expertise on emerging areas like Web3 implementation, data security, or sustainable technology integration for businesses. Targeting small to mid-sized businesses that need high-level expertise but can't afford a full-time specialist allows you to secure high-ticket, retainer-based contracts. Number 4 is fractional C-suite services. Startups and scale-ups constantly need executive guidance without the overhead of a full-time hire. If you have executive experience, offer part-time expertise, like a fractional CFO or CMO, to multiple growing companies simultaneously. This side hustle commands high hourly rates because you are providing specialized, strategic experience crucial for rapid business scaling. Finally, at number 5, digital product licensing and template sales, the ultimate passive income machine. Create and sell reusable digital assets that solve specific professional problems, such as high-end Notion templates, advanced design systems, or industry-specific software tools. Once the product is created, distribution is nearly free and infinitely scalable, turning this into a powerful passive income stream. These 5 hustles are the future of wealth building. They leverage technology, specialization, and scalability to maximize your earnings. To recap, focus on AI content, e-commerce automation, specialized tech consulting, fractional C-suite services, and digital product licensing. The key takeaway is simple. Start now. Focus on leveraging emerging tech and ensure your hustle is scalable. Your journey to becoming rich by 2026